Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So to this video guys, gagala na naman kami. We're going to city. So one of my staff, sabi niya sa akin, Ma'am, samahan mo naman ako. Pupunta tayo ng city, bibili daw siya ng gold or gold meaning like pendant. Sabi ko, oh sige sure. Kasi yan naman talaga ang gusto ko para gumala, 'di ba? So, ayan. So, alam nyo ba guys, umalis na naman kami sa site ng 7 o'clock ng gabi. So, makakarating na naman kami doon. So, maybe 10 ng gabi. So, as usual, first thing that we are going to do is to eat first. And after that, of course, we're going somewhere or in the Gold Souk area, which we call that Bengali Market. Actually, this is my third times to be there. So, usually kasi guys, pag pumupunta ako ng city, lagi lang akong nasa mall, maglakad-lakad, mag-ikot-ikot, tapos mag-check ng mga sale or like shopping, window shopping, mga ganyan. Pero by this time, ayun, punta kami doon. So, ayan, ganito na naman guys ang aming routine this weekend. Of course, guys, but before diving into the world of gold, there was an important mission, finding a good place to eat. Siyempre, kailangan muna natin kumain dahil sa haba ng biyahe. Gutom na naman kami, hunger had already set in. And the aroma of different foods, of course, around the market made it impossible to ignore. We wandered through the busy streets, passing by a small restaurant and food stalls. Ay naku, talaga kailangan natin kumain muna. It's offering something, tempting. Sabi ko, kain muna daw from sis. So guys, kung nakikita nyo sa aming location, malapit na kami. So ito na guys ang Bengali Market. But of course, sabi ko nga sa inyo, naghahanap kami ng parking and of course, dinner first. Siyempre, gutom na kami kasi ang layo ng biyahe. At sobrang lamig guys, promise. Super lamig. Alam niyo ba guys, yung mga kasama ko, sumusuko na sila sa akin. Sabi nila, Mom, pwede ba tayong minsan na lang gumala? Pero sila naman nagyaya sa akin. So, let's eat. We ordered ampalaya, one of my all-time favorite vegetable.
And ampalaya.
Sinigang na bangus, of course.
And soy sauce.
With just
rice also.
Right kick of
This
chili
is
kasi
my
gusto ko talagang maanghang na maanghang. And of course, hindi mawawala
for
ang
Banabin
sisig. So, favorite nila yan. And of
Dennis,
course, ayan, pansit. O, tingnan nyo naman guys, ang sisig. O, diba? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Sarap-sarap niyan. And rice, of course. Fried egg also. Sarap o, diba? With chili pa. Sarap. And with food is good. I already know I won't be able to resist going for more. Definitely. Ang sarap, 'di ba? So, ayan. Guys, the sinigang bangus, gusto ko 'yan maanghang. Mapaparami yung kakainin ko pag maanghang. Ayun, yung kasama ko, of course, nag-order siya ng what do you call this one? Ayan, roast chicken. Yan, fried chicken ang gusto niya. Kasi hindi niya kayang kumain ng aming pagkain. So, 'di ba? Sarap. So, kain muna tayo. After namin mag-dinner, so naglakad na kami papunta sa Gold Souk. So ito na yan guys, kinuhanan ko na siya ng picture, of course, ang totoo niya, diba? Oh my gosh, isa lang naman sana yan sa akin, alam gusto ko yung malaki-malaki niya. O diba, kasi hindi afford kasi nga, ano naman, super mahal. Alam nyo guys, ang mahal na talaga ngayon ng per gram, not like before. Before, alam nyo ba guys, first abroad ko, magkano lang? 37 per gram lang ang gold in Dubai. Pero alam niyo ba ngayon guys, magkano na? Oh my God, ang 350, 330 na ang per gram. So guys, strolling through Bengali Market. Ay my God guys, hindi kaya talaga ang lamig. So, naghahanap kami guys ng something kung ano lang yung maisipan naming mabili dito. Sabi ko pag may nadaanan tayo ng bibilhan ng sweatshirt, so bili tayo ng sweatshirt kasi super lamig. So guys, walking through the streets, you can see the local hard at work. See, windows selling food, clothes, and more are right along the roadside. It's lively and authentic experience. Alam mo guys, parang ang sarap din yung may experience mo dito, 'di ba? And I love exploring places like this to learn more about the local culture. Guys, when I was new here, I was told that walang local na nag-work. Yan yung nasa mind ko. But I was surprised na ang mga local pala dito nag-work din, kagaya rin natin. So, meron nga guys ng waiter, merong mga sales lady, may cashier, something like that. So, tingnan nyo naman guys, diba? So, at least marami akong nadidiscover sa place na to. Ayun, so itutur ko pa rin kayo. So, ito, paikot-ikot lang kami dito. So, kung nakikita nyo naman guys dito, sa area na to, puro nga naman gold. Oh my gosh! Look at this! How I wish! Ay, nako, lalaki naman ng mga gold na yan. Oh my God! Just imagine, meron kang ganyang kalaking gold, then maglakad ka sa Divisoria. Ewan ko lang sa'yo. Tapos nakasakay ka pa sa jeepney sa Pilipinas. I can't imagine. No, diba? Ayan. I think this is, yeah. Last time, dito tayo bumili sa shop na to. Ayan. Inside. Yeah, let's go inside. Oh my gosh, guys. I want to have this thing. Yeah, oh my gosh. Just imagine. Oh my gosh. Wow, nice. Ganda naman. How many grams is this? How much? 8,700? Wow.
20 grams.
Ganda naman. Oh my God.